In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now, to add an audio file or video one, use this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio, hit Files. Now look for your file by choosing Audio at the top, clicking on one of those apps or selecting those two lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. Either way, after finding your file, just hold it and hit select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Look for your video and when you find it, click on it. Then decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video and hit Add at the bottom right corner. If you can't find your video here, just tap on Folders at the top. Look for it here and click on it. Then tap on one of those options again, but this time select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!